Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add text over image in PowerPoint. Adding text over an image in PowerPoint is incredibly straightforward. So here is the quickest and most flexible method using a text box along with a few design tricks to make sure your text stays readable. So first you need to insert your image. For this you need to click on insert, click on picture, click on this device and select the picture from your computer. For example, I'll select this picture. You can resize it like this one, and you can rotate from rotate handle like this one. And now click on the insert and click on the text box, and now draw a text box over the picture and type your desired text. For example, nature is beautiful. You can resize the text box. You can rotate it like this one. So when you see this four-sided arrow, you can move it anywhere on the picture like this one. And now double click inside the text box and select the entire text by pressing Ctrl A and go to the home. Click on the bold. Change the font to the Arial black. You can change the text color from here. Make it underline. You can make it italic, whatever your need is. You can go to the shape format, and here you can select the different options like this text box option. Here it is has been filled. Go to the home, and I think it need to reduce 16 font sizes. You can go to the shape outline. If you want no outline, click on that, and if you want to change the color of the outline, you can select any of color which you choose best, like below. And here you can see a thin line over the text box. And now when you try to move picture and text, it is not moving all together. So how you can move both text and picture all together? For this you need to select the picture and again select the text by pressing Ctrl key. And now right click and click on the group and click on the group, and now move it. You will see that the both image and text is moving all together. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how to add text over image in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.